After Jeffrey Epstein's death in 2019, many people believed the case was finished. Legally, it wasn't. Between 2023 and 2024, U.S. courts ordered the unsealing of hundreds of documents connected to civil lawsuits filed by Epstein's victims. These records included depositions, emails, flight logs, and sworn testimony collected over many years. The goal of releasing these documents was transparency, not criminal judgment. Many well-known names appeared in the records. Judges and legal experts repeatedly emphasized one key point: being mentioned in a document does not mean a crime was committed. In most cases, names appeared because witnesses were asked broad questions, or because individuals had social or professional contact with Epstein. No new criminal charges resulted solely from the document releases. What the records did confirm was the scale and consistency of abuse. Victims described similar patterns across decades: recruitment, manipulation, and exploitation enabled by Epstein's wealth and influence. As of today, Jeffrey Epstein remains the primary convicted offender, and Ghislaine Maxwell is the only associate convicted in federal court in connection to his crimes. But the impact of the case extended beyond convictions. Public scrutiny led lawmakers and justice officials to re-examine how Epstein had received lenient treatment in earlier years. In 2020 and 2021, the U.S. Department of Justice conducted internal reviews of detention procedures, staffing, and inmate monitoring. Several federal facilities updated policies, including stricter inmate check requirements, expanded camera coverage, and stronger documentation and accountability rules. The case also accelerated conversations around victims' rights. Courts and advocacy groups pushed for clearer notification laws, ensuring victims are informed about plea deals, custody changes, and sentencing decisions. Civil settlements funded compensation programs for survivors. While financial compensation cannot undo harm, courts recognized it as part of accountability. Importantly, courts found no legally established criminal networks beyond those already prosecuted. Judges stressed that accountability must be based on evidence, not association or speculation. Today, the Epstein case is studied in law schools and policy debates as a lesson in how power, privilege, and justice intersect, and how oversight can fail if transparency is absent. The legacy of the case is not one of mystery, but of reform, accountability, and lessons learned.